All right, August 11th, back in the market. It is Tuesday, and another wild day on the market here. It's about to close. It's like 358 right now. The Dow went from, I put in the SPY. The SPY really sold off. This is a major bearish candle here. Maybe we're pulling back like I thought. We're down 108, S&P 28, 192 NASDAQ, small cap 15, VIX is up 2438. Commodities, gold's down 1927, down 102. Silver down 425, crude down to 4153. So yeah, this is extremely bearish. Could this be a top? I said it was going to be a double top. Pretty close. Yeah, we're up. How far up can you be on stochastics? You need to come down. Yeah, how far will it come down? Who knows? We could come back to here, come up to 20 EMA. Excuse me, exhausted. I've been in the gym the last 3 weeks, really hitting hard. Just very tired. All right, let's look at some stocks. BFRA. Buyer Frontier announced a subscription price for a 1% qualified subordinate mandatory convertible bond. I'm not sure what that means. Anyway, this is another chart. Look at this. Huge volume, not huge volume. This is only like 1 million, but made that big move more like 3-day pullback. Look at this. It was like 2-day, 3-day, right near the 13 EMA. Sometimes it doesn't touch. Then it's bounced up again today. And look at this move. You go to the 1 minute. This is a classic move. You'll see this. Up, 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 up. This is what it does. Then this is your red candle. Now to go in this is pretty dangerous, because anything can happen here. You go in here, even 100 shares, and this drops down, to 10. You're down 500, just like that. So this is extremely risky. If you're a pro trader, you don't take a chance at this. I wouldn't say newbies test this. It's very dangerous. Look at this, 15, moved all the way up. 15, this made it as high as 38. 41, excuse me. And then look at this drop. See this drop? This dropped all the way down 38, 25, like 13. Crazy. This has the float about 21 million. But this is one of these pop-up moves. We see these once in a while too, where it gaps. It's like this, then it fades. So typical move here. You gotta know how to play that. I would go extremely small shares if you're gonna play that. All right, PFNX. This is kind of choppy. Get to the 5 minute. Look at here, going back and forth. Quarter line here. Nothing real great. OXBR. This pop pre-market, pretty nice at the 3, then fade. Look at this fade all the way down to like 175. And then we bounce 175 to 241. So it was a nice bounce. Once you see this big candle here, you draw your lines. You get in and then it bounce. So I did another bounce. I was in bed long. EYEN. This was pre-market. This happened early. This is the 2 minute. This is 8:02. And this happened right here all the way got to 8:44. So this is a quick run up. See this quick run up? Very fast. And then it peaked, and look at this, straight down to 5. So this is a normal move you see in these plays, these gap ups. They might gap up real fast and fade. PRPH, quick pop, then drop, see again. PRVI, gonna move to 550. You got as high as 850. This wasn't bad here. We got in here. It's very quick, but the volume's not that great. And fade it. LINX. This is like, excuse me, no volume. And then it popped up a volume at 1 p.m. It was halted. This is really weird. Staff. SYPR wasn't bad over 135. You have a cross here, change of direction, and drop down. Then it held that 155 line, double top right here, came back down again. Arnett, mostly over 330, 370. And there's Hall breaking out. 4.5 million today. Look at this. You had a huge move here, then sideways. Eventually it popped, and it did a really nice pop. L1CS fading, EVOC, IMTX, MVC, ACRS, nice pop. Bitcom, USCG, going down here's not really that great today. Here's MIOB, ZSL, Pro Shares, Ultra Short, Silver. Wow, look at this here. Accumulation here. So someone knew that wasn't going to last. And yeah, the gold silver move. Excuse me. So tired. 825. Look at that, right over 825. That was a nice move. EQ went down, GLNG. And this was a nice pop. All right, so the runners today, still a lot of penny stocks, different types of moves today, nothing that great. So let's take a look at the SPY today, see what happened. So there's your bearish candle. Today there's vaccine news, maybe Russia found a vaccine. That was possibly the news. Right here, something happened late. And it really turned the market. Look at this one, all the way down. Now, if we continue here, we start a bearish move. Watch your 330, then this level here, 326. So watch it as it, see if this trend line holds on that. NASDAQ, one up, down 3 bearish candles here. The 10,815, we'll see if that holds. If not, watch your 10.7 level. There's Dow Jones. This is very high up here. Extremely high stochastics. You have almost 100. This is at, and it can't get any higher than that. So this could come back in really fast at 27,000. We'll see here. Did this, see this little run up too? See these run ups? This one's not, this is not as big as that, and then it faded down. So we'll see on that. The VIX. And there's the VIX right here. See this? That is a falling wedge. I told you it was oversold. It's going to bounce. You're going to get some sort of bounce. If this bounces 25, maybe to 30 on the VIX. UVXY, and there's this one. See this? Waterfall down. This is a big move today. It's still oversold by a lot. And this is a great long trade. You could have played this here. You gotta play these quarter lines. Once it started to get over here, break through here, this level. It's could have got to 2060, and then this was a nice long today. So your bearish moves today were nice. What's ERY? This is ERY is bearish energy. So this made a move down today. It found support today, maybe. This was a nice run up. SPXY, there's a daily. Not much on that. Here's SCO. So this came out of the falling wedge and retested and trying to come up. Dust. And there's the breakout. See, gold has been so strong. And here is dust. This is, bearish. Gold miners. JDST is trying to break up. So these are, bullish moves on the bear side. LABD. There is bearish biotech. That's a really big candle today. And this is a really good long. You don't get these that often. The market's been so strong. Socks. Trying to break up here. Not much of a move compared to the others. FAS. Just FAS. It's really oversold. So this might really break up here. You have a 14. Really came on late. You see this right here? You have 15. So this could turn up. TZA. This is very oversold. So look at this way down here. When you're far away, either way from the 1320 EMA. So you can see here, this has room to run. If we start, the market turns bearish here. This is a bigger move. This is a smaller pullback. We don't know yet. Who knows? There's this style. So this is at a 6 on stochastic. This could run up towards like 20-ish. We'll see on that. There's a nice late day move on this. See this? Right over 1825, solid gain. SQQQ. This thing gets no movement. You know why? Because this is the opposite of TQQQ. The NASDAQ is crazy. So, and this barely moves, and this moves today. So DFN. This is looking like a bearish candle now. It's like exhaustion. Getting very high up at 84. This moved 10 to as high as 1471. Really dropped off. On a 30-minute, this could fall back maybe to this level, this breakout level, like 1225. We'll see. Ethan, DIN. This looks like a topping candle. Looks like a cross. This is a strong run all the way from 35 to 55. So we might pull back here. We'll see. Nail. It's a very bearish candle. It was a shooting star yesterday. We'll see on that too. It's very high up. So let's take a look at IBR to REITs. It's trying to break up and push down a little bit. MFA, another one. See how the Hull was good today, so there's sort of like indecision there. Airlines, JetBlue, they're putting in that filled candle, so this might be the move is over. We'll see. There's love. It might come back out. We'll see on this. So take a look at this is the cruise lines. See, it's pretty far away from your EMAs. This might come back down to the EMA and then bounce. We'll see on that. Let's cut. NCLH, RCL, CCL. See that. Win. And Win had a nice gap up here. I think I had this on one of the things I posted and said it was going to get like 90 or right on that. Look at that beautiful gap. Win. LVS. Got right through that trend line, so that it's pretty strong. Then near trend line, There's Ruth trying to come up. So that's on that. A lot of these have made moves again, sort of like back here in June. And now we'll see what they do here. They're going to fade back here. That is the question. As well as Fargo, and like a high cross or low cross. Still, I'm trying to come up here. Just trying to break this level here. We'll see on that. Where's the other swing trade ideas? FE, trying to get into this gap here, sort of hammered the bottom. It's holding right there. Look at that, right at the trend line. We'll see if that can come up. REG, sort of a high hammer. Came back down now, didn't really hold. So we could be in for, you know, market change here. We're gonna have a change of pattern, or is this just a small pullback? You know, it's hard to say right now. We will see on this. So that's it. Let's determine. Let's see what happens tomorrow. We get a better figure on how all this plays out. So, all right, that's it for now. It's a quick video. Please subscribe and like the channel, and we are out. Peace.